All right, 1C. What is the depth of water at 5 a.m.? Round your answer to 3 decimal places. So at 5 a.m., that would be right here. So somewhere between 3.1 and 4.9, definitely closer to 3.1. But we don't want to just estimate that. So we're going to use our equation and we're going to substitute 5 in for T. So I'll write my equation down here again just so you can see what we're using. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in 5. It's important that you put 5 in place of T and write function notation properly, that you're finding h of 5. 1.8 sine, open up your brackets, 2 pi divided by 12.4, 5 minus 4, close brackets, plus 3.1. Now your calculator, you need to make sure that it is in radian mode to put this in your calculator. Working with brackets first, 5 minus 4 is 1. 1 times 2 pi over 12.4. This really isn't going to be there. Otherwise, I would, let's say it was a 2. This worked out to 2. And I'd say 4 pi over 12.4, whatever. So I would simplify the brackets here. So when I simplify the brackets here, I don't normally write this out, but just in this example to show you, this just then becomes 2 pi over 12.4. plus 3.1. Now, if you have a calculator where you can normally sort of write things in as how you see it here, then you can do just that. Some calculators, you might have to put the angle in first, sine, multiply, then add. But for most of us, we have a calculator, we can put it in as we see it. So if you just sort of can kind of see what I'm putting in here. Again, radian mode, so 1.8 sine. I have to open my brackets on my calculator. Your calculator may already have them open, but then you'd have to just remember to close the brackets. I also have to close my brackets and then add 3.1. 3.9735, so to 3 decimal places, the 5 rounds this up. So h of 5 is equal to 3.974 meters.